Buddy. I'm here to show you how to put together your Peaches the Hedgehog comic wrapper box. So I have a quick slideshow to share with you, and it should be pretty simple. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have these two pieces. There'll be a wider piece and a more narrow piece. You'll see that they are already scored, so they're ready to fold up, and you will be creating this box. Lay them so you can see what you have in front of you. And you're basically going to just start folding up so that you should see the score lines in front of you, and you're going to fold and crease all in the same direction. And if you have something like a bone folder, or maybe just the handles from your scissors, you can use those to sharpen the creases, but they should fold pretty easily by hand. So there's your first piece, and then go ahead and fold up the second piece. You'll see the second piece has one end with rounded corners. That's important to keep track of. You're also going to want to grab a glue stick or some double-sided tape. Whatever adhesive you have on hand will work fine. So those are the two pieces. And what we're going to do is lay them back out together. And then I'm going to show you where to apply a thin strip of adhesive. So you want to grab that piece with the half circle notch taken out. And I'm just using some double-sided tape. And that's it, all the glue you need. And then you want to find your second piece, and you're going to take this panel, and right here, that's where you want the glue to go. So fold it up, and you want to put that end on the glue part. Here we go. Just line up the edges, press it. If you're using liquid glue, I would just let it sit like this, put something heavy on top of it. So those are how your two pieces should look assembled. Before you do any gluing, just lay them down together like that, dry, so you can make sure you've got them organized in the right way. And then, once it's assembled, you can take and stack all of your tissues of peaches. I'm stacking them in two directions, alternating, just so that makes a more even stack. Once you got them all together, you're just going to fold the wrapper up. And that's where the rounded corners come into play. They just tuck underneath that side with the indentation. And then you're good to go. So you can take your box and decorate it with your sticker collection. And this last slide I just have here so you can see kind of a more diagram of the process. In these images, I have the areas that are going to be glued together. They're kind of shaded so you can see where they come together. I also wrote on your boxes, glue here, so that should help. If you have any trouble, let me know and I can help you.